Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So we're going to do a 50-cent coin roll hunt today. So I'm going to open up a few of these rolls. I don't have much fingernails at the moment, so I'm going to just open up a few rolls and we'll continue in a moment. Alright guys, so I've opened up 5 rolls, so we will go through those and see what we can find. A few 77s. So I'm just checking everywhere on these coins to see if there's any cuds or anything like that. I'm certainly checking the dates. This one is just been well worn. Alright, so nothing in the first roll. Just slide it over and then we can look at them as we pull them off the top rather than trying to hold them all. Check that one. What was it? 76. I thought it was a 79 for a moment. There's a 79. It's not a double bar. 2001. We're zoomed in a little bit too close. Alright, that's a bit better. So we like to look for the Federation ones as well. So the state coins from each of the states and Norfolk Island. If you don't have one of these, keep one of these. But I tend to find them quite commonly, and I do have plenty of them, so it's not one that I'm going to be keeping. And the Millennium, but it's not INCUSED. So if it was INCUSED, which is the variety that you want to try and find, the Union Jack, the center of the Union Jack, basically the cross in the middle, would be essentially dug out, or we refer to it as INCUSED, and that's certainly one to keep a hold of. But that was not a bad condition coin, but not a keeper. Still looking for my rotated 2010. Stand them up. Well, nothing as yet. It's a bit unusual. This one here has a little cut on it, but I don't think it's worthwhile keeping unless you don't have one. So as you notice, I make sure I rotate each and every coin. Hey, here's one. Here's our first keeper, which is the ACT. So not in the best of condition, but this is probably the most difficult one for me to find. So it's a keeper for me. Mintage of between 2 and 3 million, depending on the state coin that you find. So certainly well worth keeping, and certainly worth more than 50 cents is what I'm trying to say. Probably around $3 would be my guess. So we'll put that aside. It's actually been a fair while since I found a Federation coin, so I'm quite happy to find that one. Probably the best coin I ever found was the year 2006, fully rotated 180 degrees. So whenever I come across a 2006, I'm always eager to spin it around, because at that time when I found it, and I'm probably still the same today, I don't think anyone's actually found another one. I did sell that coin a few years back when I needed the money as such, and I sold it for $1,700. Another one, but not INCUSED. $2017, but not a Marbo. Well, still only the one coin. Keeper out of, how many rolls is that? This is 5th roll starting now. Hey, a little bit dirty, but it's actually an INCUSED. Alright, I'm going to find one of the ones I just had a moment ago. Okay, so hopefully we can show you the what we're exactly talking about there, especially if you're new to it. This is probably one of the most difficult errors, or not really an error, it's a variety, I suppose, to actually spot. A lot of people have a lot of trouble trying to understand exactly what we're talking about here. So try and zoom in a bit closer. Hopefully you can see the difference. I'll try and keep it focused. I'll grab my little pointer. And you see here it looks, I'll try and hold it in different light, okay, so you can sort of see the way the light comes off it, but you can see there that it's indented through this section here and through the Union Jack, the center of the Union Jack, okay. So you can see the lines there, and there's lines there, but it's still filled. And this is the common one, and this is the INCUSED variety. Okay, there's actually a lip in there. So that's the INCUSED variety. The stars slightly different as well. But certainly when you're looking for this INCUSED Union Jack, and that's the one that's worth extra dollars. I haven't had a look for a while, but it from memory I think somewhere between $25 and $40 for that particular coin. This one's not in a high grade, but it's still an INCUSED. So yeah, that's definitely a keeper, and very happy to find that coin. Even though we've only got two, it's a great return. So for 50 cents. So we'll keep going, and we'll see what else we can find. Got plenty more rolls to get through, but we don't want time to get away from us either. Really happy to find that INCUSED. It's certainly been a long while since I found one of those. Okay, so this here, just want to zoom in and have a look to see if this is double bar. No, it's not. No, it looked like there was something going on there for a little bit, but no. Alright guys, we're going to open up another 3 rolls. Just zoom out a little bit. There's a dirty coin. I used to find double bars a fair bit. I'm not finding them much at all anymore. I certainly feel like things are dropping off as far as my finds go, so it just means I need to look a little bit harder. Things aren't coming as easy as they used to. Oh yeah, we got a Marbo. So 2017 low mintage coin, 1.4 million. So that's our 3rd keeper for this hunt. There's a Royal Visit. It's not bad condition. So I'll put that one aside as well. They're pretty tough to come by as well, actually, the Royal Visit from year 2000. I probably find more of the Millennium coins than I do of the Royal Visits. There's another state coin. We've got New South Wales here. So found 2. Fairly shiny as well, which is quite nice. So that's another keeper. Plenty of these coming through today. But it is nice to find a couple of the Federation state coins. Okay, I think we might finish it off here, guys. But this actually is a double bar. I've referred to it a couple of times, and I've certainly referred to it across the channel quite a few times. But see the two little lines on the back of the emu's head. So this is a 1980. So look on the 1980s and the 1979s for that particular variety. And yeah, if you can find something like that, they can be worth a little bit more than face value as well. Alright guys, that's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's have a quick little look and recap of what we found in this hunt. And I think I'm pretty happy, especially happy with the INCUSED. That's a great find. And certainly the Marbo and the couple of Federation coins, the ACT and New South Wales. Alright guys, I hope you guys are having some success with your hunts, and please make sure you continue to show us those things on the Facebook group. The Facebook group is just growing in numbers daily, and the number of posts that are coming through are also great to see as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we'll have another video for you soon.